Good afternoon to all and respected sir. Today I am the student of Advent here in the front of you to deliver an speech on the topic of Independence Day. Firstly, my first topic is how to independent our India from British rule. In 18th century, Britishers came in our India, and that time the Mughal Empire ruled here. In after by coming the 19th century, the Mughal Empire began to weaken, and the British rule began to stronger more and more. By power in hand, they kill everyone who goes opposing to their rules. In one day they bought a cartridge who made from flesh of cow and pigs, and the Indians opposing the cartridge because.
Good afternoon to all. Today I am presenting here to give a speech. My speech topic is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. Independence Day is in this day 1947. We give some of this. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. Our Prime Minister hoists the flag on this day. So I have one poem on this. Freedom is not. Pride in the nation. Firstly, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is the national day of every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of our freedom. Every state and union territory of our country celebrate this day with full of enthusiasm. We honor our great freedom fighters in the national celebration of Independence Day. Schools and colleges arrange cultural programs with song and dance. So at last I want to all of friends and my speech topic is Independence Day. Wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Well friends, as we all know that India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day in August 2021. I like Independence Day very much. We enjoy Independence Day very much. Independence Day is one of the most memorable day in history. The day India got liberty from Britishers after 2000 years.
Many were mounted, many were taught. This is how freedom was got. Good afternoon to all of you. This is Divanshu. Today I want to deliver a speech on the topic Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important festival for our country. It is a national festival. And in ancient times, British attacked in our country. And our freedom fighters struggle and give their life. And we get freedom. We should not forget the struggle of our freedom fighters. Example of the freedom fighters are Gandhi Ji and Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. On this day, we do fun in schools, many competitions there, and many activities like march, past, etc. And people buy many flags, badges, and many things.
जमाने भर में बीते हैं आर्टिकल मगर वतन से दूर कोई शर्म नहीं। पैसों से लिपट कर सोने से सिमट कर मरे हैं नहीं मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं। We all are varied by religion but united by nation. With this time, good afternoon to all of you, respected sir, and all present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Independence Day. India will celebrate its 75th of Independence Day. India got freedom in 1947. India was slave of British rule from last 200 years. They treat us like slaves and they destroyed our money and resources. Many of our freedom fighters.
Freedom is the precious gift of our freedom fighters. Good afternoon to all of friends, respected sir. Today I would like to give my speech on the topic.
Good afternoon to all of friends and Independence Day celebrated on 15 August of every year. On 15 August 1947, our India got independence. Our freedom fighters. We remember our freedom fighters. We feel happy on this day. The Prime Minister goes to the national flag at the red fort. Prime Minister hosts national citizens of India. Thank you. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of every year. In this day, we got independence, and in 15 August we celebrate in our home. We feel proud on this day. Many freedom fighters give their lives to get freedom. Salute to all of you and respected sir. Today my sixth topic is Independence Day. So first of all, I say Happy Independence Day to all of you. First of all, I did and two slogan for Independence Day. Mahatma Gandhi said that do or die. Subhash Chandra Bose said, give me blood, I will give you freedom. So friends, in 15 August we celebrate Independence Day. In 15 August, our India gets freedom from British Mahatma Gandhi. To all of you and respected, today my key topic is Independence Day. Well, friends, as we all know that tomorrow is Independence Day. We celebrate. Independence Day. Every year we celebrate this day on 15 August. India gets freedom on this day, 15 August 1947. In this day, India will celebrate 75th of independence on 15 August.
India got independence on 15 August 1947 from British rule.
Record every day because the success fight is between you and yourself. So, good afternoon to all of you. This is Simran, and today I would like to deliver the speech on the topic of Independence Day. So, on this year, we are going to celebrate 75th anniversary of Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15 August with joy and happiness. India became
Good afternoon all of you. Respected sir, today my speech topic name is Independence Day. On this day, we celebrate.
India got its freedom. Many freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi sacrificed their life for freedom. It was hard to sacrifice their life. We got independent in 15 August 1947. It is our 75th Independence Day. Many of freedom fighters sacrificed their life for us. They died for us because India can become a freedom country.